All right, guys, sitting here in traffic. I'm literally on the way to the airport. It's Thursday, and on Saturday is going to be the Kies Motorsports 2021 Auto Show, and I want to take you along with me. I couldn't be more excited, and I want to show off this great event and all the vendors and all the people that are coming, and I want you to come along with me. All right, guys, let's talk about the show a little bit if you're not familiar with it. So the Kies Motorsports Auto Show, they had to cancel for 2020, which was a bit of a bummer. But in many ways, it's just gonna make 2021 that much bigger. Like I said, we're driving off to the airport. It's gonna be amazing. So there's a ton of really awesome YouTubers coming, like What's Your Forte, Tommy El Garage, Thick Whips, Supra Officer, Noor Hamadi. I'm gonna forget people who are coming, but it's gonna be amazing. And I just couldn't be more excited about this. It's a long way to go coming out of Seattle. I may be one of the farthest attendees, but that's not my reason for going. I really want to go to support Bryan Kies of Kies Motorsports. He's such a great guy. They're gonna have hundreds of cars, food trucks, vendors, you name it. I've never been to a show probably this big, I bet. And then the cool thing is everything goes to charity. So I'm really excited because I'm going to bring along a bunch of shirts. I have brand new hats. I'm going to donate them. And so hopefully you're going to be there. And I bet you I'm going to do this video after the show. So if you're watching this video after the show, make sure to check it out. If you missed getting a hat or shirt or that sort of thing, make sure to check in the video description and you're going to be able to get the links to go to those. But I couldn't be more excited to take you along with me. This is such a great show and for such a great cause where Bryan's putting all this energy and effort in to donate everything to charity. So my plan is I'm gonna fly in here on Thursday, and then on Friday I'm gonna meet up with Bryan, and if I get a chance to film some of that, I'll share it with you a little bit. But then really the core of the action is on Saturday where the show starts. So I'm gonna get there as early as I can, try to help out, really get a sense of what the show's gonna be like. It's gonna be an amazing time, and I wanna take you along with me. We're riding in famous blue here, guys. I mean, come on. That's right. All packed in. I like it. I'm gonna be that guy just for a second. Nice, dude.
With a car full of people.
With the AC blasting. Let's get on this craziness. I love how the shell came off and went back on. right, y'all. Go. What do you think, brother?
Great show, great turnout. Oh my gosh.
This is
Some nice
sick,
cars.
dude. This is so cool. Can you imagine this from the parking lot of the auto parts places a few years ago?
Wouldn't fit.
Just
We'd
sick.
have to have three showings.
This is so sick, man. This is such a great day. This is so cool. Tells you, Bryan calls them out and they come out. Great stuff.
If you build it, they will come.
What a great day here in New Jersey. Checking this out, Kies Auto Show 2021. All right, let's take a round, look some more. Alright guys, we're wrapping up after an unbelievable day out here in the sun in New Jersey all day. There's still even, you can see a few holdouts left. Show's over, but there's still just a few cool cars left. You can still see we've got the row of Kies Motorsport cars back here behind me. What an incredible day. Bryan put on an amazing show all day long. A huge amount of help, great people, and what a great crowd. Easily over 550 cars here today, and I bet you by final count will probably be 600. Talked to hundreds of people all day. Everybody was happy to be here. Just incredible. So come 2022, if this comes around again, you should absolutely come out. What a great time, support a great cause. All the money went to charity. We had great people, we had food trucks, we had vendors, we had hundreds of amazing cars, millions of dollars worth of BMWs here today, here in New Jersey. What an incredible day. So if you get an opportunity next time, you missed it this year, you absolutely missed it. So next year, make sure to make it out, come out, support Bryan, support Kies Motorsports, and some incredible people. All right guys, have a great day.